Affixes. Affix is a set of letters added to the beginning or end of a word to form a new word with a different meaning. Examples: main or root word is happy. Prefix is un. The new word is unhappy. Main or root word is hope. Suffix is less. The new word is hopeless. There are mainly two types of affixes. First is prefixes and second is suffixes. Prefixes. A prefix is a letter combination that is fixed at the beginning of the word. The prefixes add new meaning to the word. Let us see how to use un, re, dis and pre. Un. When we add the prefix un, it gives opposite meaning. Re. When we add the prefix re, it gives the meaning of again. Dis. When we add the prefix dis, it gives the opposite meaning. Pre. When we add the prefix pre, it gives the meaning of before. Unwanted, unfortunate. Rewrite, repaint. Dislike, dispose. Prepaid, preschool. Suffixes. A suffix is a letter combination that is fixed at the end of the word. The suffixes add new meaning to the word. Let us see how to use less, full, meant. Less. When we add the suffix less, it gives the meaning without. Full. When we add the suffix full, it gives the meaning full of. When we add the suffix it denotes a person who does the action. Meant. When we add the suffix meant, it denotes the name of the action. Toothless, careless. Joyful, beautiful. Singer, painter. Judgment, treatment. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe our channel P&P Academy.